Open APK mirror.com. Search for Chrome. Download bundle ARMI v7 APM. Wait until finish. Go back to last page. Download Trichrome library. The versions of Chrome and Trichrome must match. Hold voice button and say Open Google Play Store. Search for and install S to X. Search for and install sideload folder. Open S to X and allow manage all files permission. Hold OK button on file list and select browser upload. Upload Chrome APM and Trichrome library APK. Install Trichrome library first. Allow install unknown apps. On some devices, you may need to enable developer options. Install Chrome APM next. Open sideload folder. Open Chrome from here. A mouse is needed to use it. I'll teach you how to use virtual mouse on Google TV soon. Subscribe.